Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and I'm just finishing up my day at Islands of Adventure, and oh boy, do we have some big updates in this video. We have a ride closure, a major ride closure to tell you about, and not just something, oh, this ride's going to be closed for 2 weeks. No, this is a big closure. Plus we go into the Lost Continent and we discuss the changes that are about to be happening there, and I put forth my own idea what I would like to see happen there. Something no one's mentioned, I don't think it's likely, but it is a very interesting thought in my opinion. But before I get too far ahead of myself, let's go back to the start of my day and see how it all went down. Starting with 2 or 3 CityWalk updates. Here is a fall photo opportunity I haven't shown you yet. The red truck with the pumpkins says hello fall, and some fall or Halloween bunting by the waterfall here. And I want to show you the progress of the Rip by Rocket replacement. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Look at that drill. That is a serious piece of drilling equipment. In the last Universal Studios update video, I showed you the new banners on the bridge to Studios. Well, the bridge to Islands of Adventure also has new banners. This one has Spider-Man on it. Here we have a T-Rex and a Raptor. And of course, we need a representation of Harry Potter and the Wizarding World. Now into Islands of Adventure, where I know some of the Universal engineers are excited for things happening in here. Outside of the gates, this information board, very plain looking. It does let us know that Hogwarts Express is closed for planned maintenance, but this one over here, not so plain looking. Look at all the foliage it has around it. The 2-park Unlimited Express Pass today, $212. We're in the slow season, so no need for a cash register here right now. Inside of the Fudge and Candy Shop, we have a Scooby-Doo hoodie. A pull-over hoodie for $60. There's the front graphic. The sleeve also has the gang, the whole gang, running down the sleeve. But there you go. Any Scooby-Doo fan would love to have that. Today, let's make a right, go counterclockwise through the park. That way we get to the Lost Continent quicker. I know the Universal engineers are excited about the Lost Continent. But before the Lost Continent, we have Seuss Landing. Well, 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 look at this. I can't believe my eyes. The Cat in the Hat signage is fully operational today. The teapot not only spewing the water out, but also rocking back and forth. It's been so long since I've seen it doing this. So far, every wait time has been 5 minutes. The carousel, 1 fish, 2 fish, and Cat in the Hat. But what about the High in the Sky trolley? Is it also 5 minutes? Why, yes, yes it is. And that's how it should be with all the American kids back in school. Here's something I mention in live streams way more than I do videos, but inside of the store here, in this back corner with all the Grinchmas stuff, you have this AC vent right here. This is a place I often just hang out at to catch some very cool AC. Just stand under it for a couple minutes and cool off. Into the Lost Continent. Permits have been filed for demolition here. Even the local news, even they had a story on it. There was a merchandising kiosk here that's been removed, and in its place, oh look, a churro stand. I'm saying the removal of that merchandising kiosk, the first evidence of demolition here. Yeah. The Mythos waterfall hasn't been on for the past few times that I've been here. Is it related to the changes about to occur in the Lost Continent? Or is the water just not working? So let's talk about the rumors. The oldest rumor for what could replace the Lost Continent is The Legend of Zelda. That rumor, a decade and a half old maybe, super old. The newest rumor is the Lost Continent could become themed to the anime One Piece. In between that we have Lord of the Rings. So you let me know in the comment section below, which of those three rumors, which do you most believe? And then, you know what, let's have some fun. Let's make up our own. What would you like to see the Lost Continent become? I'm gonna give you my idea right now. And I think it's a pretty good one. This place is called Islands of Adventure, right? So we need another island. How about this? Amity Island. Huh? Amity Island? Could we get a new Jaws area? That's my suggestion. Tell me yours in the comment section below. You could just pick one of the three rumors, or like I said, give us your own idea. I'm going with Amity Island. I'm not saying my idea is very likely, as nothing in here could be reused. It would all have to be torn down and rethemed to look like Amity Island. I don't have a strong opinion to whatever it becomes. Whatever it becomes, I'll just be happy that the Zelda rumors finally die and are dead for good. And with Universal's recent history of theming lands, I'm confident that whatever they do, it's gonna look amazing. And I just want a cool, fun attraction in here. Something fun to do. A ride, a coaster, trackless. Who knows? I don't know. Just give me something fun to do, and I don't care what it's themed to. Is it too late to apologize?
Never too late to apologize.
Well, I would like to apologize. I haven't been around much. I've been taking you for granted. Just like we saw out front, the Hogwarts Express is closed. They have some games out here for you. Some cornhole, some Connect 4. Into Hogsmeade to answer the question we answer every time we're here. What is the wait for Hagrid's right now? 60 minutes. Am I allowed to say just 60 minutes when it comes to Hagrid's? No one is in line for butterbeer. Over here at the Three Broomsticks, they list today's special as fish and chips. Is it really a special? Is it like at a discounted price, I wonder? Or is it just part of the theming of the sign? The Forbidden Journey is just a 5-minute wait, as is the Flight of the Hippogriff. Welcome to Jurassic Park, where we have some big, shocking news. Wow, the Velocicoaster is just a 25-minute wait. Jurassic Park River Adventure is closed right now, but that's not the big news regarding a closing with River Adventure. It's actually going to close for almost all of next year, almost all of 2026. It's going to be closed from January 5th through November 19th, 2026. That's almost the entire year. Like, is it going to be a major, just like fixing everything, or with that amount of time, could they convert it to Jurassic World River Adventure like they have over there in Hollywood. I mean, to be down for a year? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Like, does anyone know how long it took the California version of this to get converted over to its new Jurassic World version? Can it be done in a year? Probably. I don't know. I'm excited to see. I wouldn't mind. Now, you let me know if you would mind if they got converted over to the Jurassic World version. Personally, I think I would like that. That has nothing to do with today's closure. Today is just closed for some odd reason. Doesn't look like it's gonna run at all today. They have games set up and everything. It's not gonna open today, but boy, a whole year, almost a whole year in 2026. Jurassic Park team members are already speculating that the time frame is gonna run over. That they won't get done by November. Well, well, well. Looks like something is finally under the T-Rex. They've added some plants. Still waiting on that Ford Explorer. One day I'm gonna cross this bridge over into Sweet Haven and announce that the waterfall is working again. But today is not that day. Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. What happens first? The waterfall gets to working, or Blondie's reopens. Which of those two things will happen first? In Seuss Landing, I showed you one of my favorite air conditioning vents. There's another one in here, probably better than that one. If we walk right this way, see, this one I think is lower than the one in Seuss Landing. You can stand right under this. Look, I can touch it, yeah. This has some good, sweet, cold AC pumping right on me. Also in here, is this a new Hello Kitty bag I haven't seen before? I don't think this is a Loungefly because it's only $65. But yeah, look at that. I think it's a Universal Studios bag. 65 bucks, Hello Kitty. The Midway games, no one is playing any Midway games. Is that because of the low crowds or the high price for the games now? But I came here to show you some new Care Bear prices, Halloween related Care Bears. Here at the one in Wins, the small one, like the short one. I guess it's easier, but no one's playing any games right now. Let's see what's happening inside of Marvel Superhero Island. I never took up reading comics, and like, how do you even start now? Do I need to find like issue 1 of something and start reading? Like, I just can't pick up a comic and start reading it, right? Don't I need to like start at the beginning of the story? Like, take this one here, for example. It says 26 on it. Does that mean this is issue 26? Like, should I go back and start with 1 and work my way up to this one, to 26? Is that how I do it? Speaking of numbers, the Spider-Man ride is a 10-minute wait. The newspaper headline says the doctor is in and Spider-Man takes him out. But that's yesterday's news. Because clearly we need to know Goblin Up the Big Apple is the latest story. If you think you're good at the claw game, come inside of the arcade and pick yourself up a Five Nights at Freddy's plush. Look at this claw game. It's all Wizard of Oz plushes. Next to it, Jurassic Park. Look at that Dennis Nedry. You kidding me? That's pretty funny. The Incredible Hulk roller coaster is a 15-minute wait. And that seems like a good place to end the video. Don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun. See you next time.